Hey everyone, welcome to Faith and Flower. This is Robin. Today I'm doing a Power Hour Clean With Me video. I set my timer for an hour and I'm going to try to knock out as many things as I can. I fell behind a little bit in my weekly cleaning routine last week, so I have a few extra things to do today. I'm starting with making my bed, and I've actually already showered, got ready, and even colored my hair. So if you need a little motivation today and you like cleaning videos, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Before setting my timer and starting my power hour, I sat down and had my quiet time reading God's Word. Making this quality, regular, unhurried time with God a priority each day has made all the difference in my spiritual growth and walk with God. It is also the best thing I can do as a wife, mom, and homemaker for my family. Now my timer is set and I'm off and running, starting with the laundry. Then I headed back to the master bedroom to get the dusting done that I had missed last week.
Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so.
With the dusting complete, I started the Roomba, shut the door, and then headed for the kitchen. In the kitchen, I just need to straighten up a little, put some things away, unload the dishwasher, and reload it with the breakfast dishes. using a microfiber cloth made by Norwex to wipe down the counters. It's antibacterial, and so all I need is water and no harsh chemicals to clean the counter. I'm also using my microfiber cloth to clean all of my stainless steel appliances.
Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful.
We have a built-in coffee maker that requires some routine maintenance, and so that's what you see me doing there. I need to decalcify, change the filter, and it takes a little bit of time, so it indicates what step I need to do next, and so while I'm doing some other cleaning, I'm getting that going.
Maybe this time next year you'll reappear.
Then I moved to the living room where I spent a little bit of time dusting and straightening up.
Till you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my
The first load of laundry is ready to be folded, so I'll take that in the living room and get that done and get the second load started.
another season. Just like another season.
watched my weekly cleaning videos, you'll know that as I fold clothes, I like to catch up on a show that I've missed. And right now, I'm really enjoying watching Call the Midwife. It's one of my favorite shows, and I'm glad it's back on. So my husband's just not that into it, and so I love saving it to watch while I fold clothes. Let me know if you're a fan too, and if you're not, you have to check it out. It comes on PBS on Sunday nights. When the Roomba was finished, I wanted to mop the floors in the master bedroom. So I'm using my microfiber mop from Norwex, and it's already damp. You really just need water, but I'm spraying a little bit of the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the lilac scent, just because I wanted to give the room a nice fresh smell, and I love that scent. So I had set my timer for an hour, and I actually finished all the tasks that I wanted to in about 48 minutes. It feels good to be caught up with the things that I missed last week and to be back on track, and it really didn't take that much time at all. I hope that this speed cleaning video provided you with some motivation and inspiration for cleaning your home. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel to see more. Thanks for watching.